Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your clips a lot faster and easier by increasing the height of the track on DaVinci Resolve. Basically, right now as you can see, I can't really see the audio wave form, so I can't really cut the video to the exact point where I start speaking, because that's when I know I'll start, or I want to cut to at that point where I can see the audio go up. And right now on the timeline I've got this video and I can't actually edit it properly because I can't see where I start speaking again. So what I need to do is go to this button right here, the timeline view options button, click in there, and then right at the bottom it's got track height, and what you can do is increase the track height of the video clip, let's say about halfway. For the audio one, it's much more important because I'm trying to see, I want to cut the video to that exact point because that's when I know I start speaking, and maybe I want to cut these little bits out because that's when I stop speaking. Maybe it's not important, but I'll show you what to do right now. Use the sort of crop tool. You can see right there that we can cut to the exact point where I start speaking. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to access your playing history. And there we go. So guys, hopefully this has made it a lot easier to edit your clips on DaVinci Resolve. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If you've got any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Thanks.